Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another beautiful day in Riga, Latvia. And on a usual note, since I love automobiles and motorcycles, we are here today in this mall. It's called the Akropole Mall, and it is one of the largest malls in Riga. So they are hosting this event called the End of Biker Season event, which basically right before the snow starts is when this event is hosted. And this is just to celebrate the bikerhood. So let's head on inside. And while I was coming near the mall, I found a lot of bikers. So let's go there. Let's check out the event. Let's see what is happening at the event, because this is my very first international biking community event. So let's just head on there. Let's see what are the different things that are happening. What are the different bikes that show up. So yeah, guys, let's go and check it out. Yeah, as I told you, this was the event that I'm here for. So how I found out about this event is basically I was just buying a magazine, and just for the sake of it, and at the last page of the magazine I found that this biking thing is going on, and it was all in Latvian. So when I translated it to English is when I actually found out that there are some things like this happening here. So a person who's always into biking and motorcycles and automobiles, this is like a dream. So let's just head on inside. So I'm just walking across the mall to go to the event. So let's just head on inside, and there are some beautiful bikes as of what I see. There are some vintage, there are some new age bikes, and some rally bikes as well. So let's just head on inside and check it out. So we are currently inside the Akropole Mall, and I didn't expect things to be inside here. So since they're celebrating this in the mall, they have some pretty good bikes standing here. So as I pan around, look at the bikes standing here. This is the new V4, which in India we still haven't got this one yet, but this looks very aggressive. We have the V4S, and we have the this is a complete new brand. We have this brand called the Morbidelli, and this is a 1000cc bike. And we have our very own Royal Enfield Bear 650. This is CF Moto. I think this is a 675. No, this is a 450 SR. We have the BMW 1300 RT, one of the best cruisers in the market. And then we have the GS R12 GS, which is a 1200cc GS. A fun fact about this bike is to deflect the wind, these automatically come out, or some feature that it has. Apart from that, we have Harleys, and we have Harleys. This is the Suzuki GSX S, which I think it is the GSX 8S, which is 800cc. Looks pretty good, and the first time I'm seeing this model in person. And this is the Indian motorcycle, which is the Indian Chief Dark Horse. And fun fact about Indian is it is not built actually in India. This is a Red Indian, as you see on the logo. There's a Red Indian, so it's an American brand. And then we have, this is a new brand where even I don't know what this is, and this is the Benelli TRK or the SRT, I guess. No, this is the QJ Motors. QJ Motors is a Chinese brand. So this is a 650cc, and this is a 900cc. And we have one beautiful beast, the MV Agusta Dragster RR. So rare to see these motorcycles, and it's really nice to see one in the flesh here. The wheels, the design, the way the exhaust is shaped, it's one of the most beautiful motorcycles, and it sounds so good as well. Even though it's an inline 3, it's one of the most beautiful looking bikes. And even the paint, look at how beautiful that paint is. The Italians know how to bring out beautiful motorcycles and automobiles. Here we have the MV Enduro Veloce, which is a 1200cc, I guess. It is it's a 1000cc adventure tourer from MV Agusta. This is still not in India as of now, but it's a pretty good motorcycle. And MV Agusta have very good sounding engines as well, because I think they've worked with Hans Zimmer. I'm not really sure on the details, but They have worked with Hans Zimmer on the sound and the way the pipes are shaped for the exhaust note to come out that great. And we have the Ducati Diavel X V4 here standing. So it's really nice to see these amount of bikes inside. We still haven't gone outside, but as we walk past this lineup of motorcycles, we have a band which will be starting very soon. We are on the other side where we have the Triumph motorcycles. This is the 400, which we're pretty used to seeing it in India. And this is another Triumph motorcycle which even I am not sure that I've seen it. No, I haven't seen it in India. This is the 250cc dirt bike, which again, dirt bike, not road legal, so pretty good to see this here. Check out this bike, guys. This is called Oruga, and it has 3-4 wheels. It's a complete new bike. It has trails. I think it's a snowmobile and like a road mobile, so it's something different. Here we have the Motomorini Escape 700, which is an upgrade to the 650 that we've had last year. I've done a video on the 650. You all can go check it out. This is a 700 with the updated screen and a little more power to the bike. Very well known Africa Twin, but this bike, since it's the international spec, it doesn't get a clutch lever. It's automatic bike. So this is a 1200cc bike again. And then we have the Hornet. Yeah, this is the CB1000 Hornet, 1000cc naked motorcycle from Honda. And Hondas, as we know it, we've always known them to have very good, reliable engines. And the CB1000 Hornet is a beautiful motorcycle. This is the 650R from Honda, the naked version. And this is the E-clutch motorcycle, which basically is you don't need to use the clutch a lot while shifting. And even when you're standing in traffic, you don't need to hold the clutch. It's very new technology that Honda has bought with this motorcycle. And then we have the Aprilia Touareg 660. This motorcycle is still not there in India. We have rumors that the 457 Touareg it might appear in India, but if you haven't seen a Touareg, this is an adventure motorcycle from Aprilia, and this is the 660 version. So Aprilia 660 lineup has the Tuono, the RS, and the Touareg. So hopefully we get the Touareg, the 457 Touareg, because this is like a killer motorcycle, even with the tail light as well. It's a pretty good motorcycle. So this is just what we have inside. So we are yet to go check out the things outside. So as of now, we see pretty good motorcycles standing inside. So let's head on outside, because there are pretty good number of motorcycles outside. So let's just go there and check out the motorcycles.